What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? My name is Oscar and I'm bringing you guys another video. On today's video, we are a little busy. We have two shows to attend today. The first show is taking place in Gilroy, California, which is about 30 minutes where I live. And the second show is taking place in Santa Cruz. That's another 40 minutes from where I live. So we're starting off the day. It is 7 o'clock right now. This first show in Gilroy starts at 8 o'clock. One of my buddies, Al, puts this show together, and this is the first year, so I'm very excited. I hope a lot of people come out and enjoy the time out there. We're gonna go ahead and stay there until, I would say, 10 o'clock or 11 o'clock. Then we're gonna go ahead and drive back to San Jose, and then we have to go pick up Amanda. And once we pick up Amanda, then we can go ahead and start the drive to Santa Cruz. Once we get to Santa Cruz, and that would be around 11 o'clock or so. This show should be really good. They have been promoting it like crazy. And another thing is they're having it in Santa Cruz. You can't go wrong. Santa Cruz is a small town here, about 35 minutes away from San Jose, and it's known for being a beach town, so you can really get to enjoy the beach and then also have some really good seafood. This show is right next to the boardwalk, so I'll show you guys the boardwalk as well later on. But let's go ahead and start the day. We do have to get a little bit of gas right now, so let's go ahead and stop by the gas station and then start our drive to Gilroy. Alright, so we just made it to Gilroy, and this is where they're having the show today. And once again, this is put together by Al. So thank you very much, Al, for putting this show together, bringing the people together to enjoy a beautiful Saturday morning with other Volkswagens. They have a good selection, but let's go ahead and start walking around. Alright, so just like that, this video is over. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. I had a lot of fun at this show. Big shouts out to Al for putting this show together and for getting everybody to come through. It turned out to be an amazing show. There was beer, there was raffles, there was everything you need. So thank you very much, Al, for putting everything together. But with that being said, this video is over. Thank you guys so much, and I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.
I wish I knew.